Welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life, where we talk about money and how to make sense out of your dollars. And so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that I have seen going around YouTube, and it's something that really bothers me, and that's basically how you can make $100,000 per year with free Google certifications without having any experience, any skills, no degree. So if that sounds too good to be true, well, I'm going to give you my thoughts on it because I feel it is complete BS. Now, I am a digital marketer. So if you're not familiar with what that is, there's Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, all those things that you see there. That is what I do. And whenever you do become somebody who does digital marketing, specifically PPC or SEM, which is pay-per-click or search engine marketing, you normally do get some type of certifications. So these things are free. They are from Google. So you could get Google Ads certification for search, display, YouTube, shopping. You could also get Facebook certifications as well. And there's so many ways that you can get certified. But the whole idea with these videos is that you could actually do all of this and make $100,000 in your first year with just getting these free certifications. So let's go ahead and head into the computer and talk about this. Okay, so we're now here on my computer. So if you go to Google and you type a search like Google certifications or Google certifications 100K, you'll find these videos. And so here's one, how to make $99,000 per year with free Google certifications. Make $100,000 working home with free Google certifications. Make $100,000 per year with Google certifications. You get the point. And then as you actually go and watch these videos, they do talk about these things, okay? Every single one of them, they pretty much talk about the same thing. And I'm going to show you the sites. And then I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on it, okay? And so what they're referring to is the sites by Google, okay? So this is where you could come and actually learn how to do these things, get certified in them. And here you see things for Google Ads, Google Marketing, Google Analytics, AdMob, Ad Manager, Google My Business. And these, I do have certifications for Google Ads, for Google Analytics, Ad Manager, and Google My Business as well. And so these are important. Having the certifications do help, and they do have other skills that you could learn. So basically the whole idea is you can get these credentials and certificates and then go try and find some work. Okay, and so at least that part that they're talking about is true. And then another thing that they like to talk about in these videos is how much these digital marketers make once they get their certifications. Okay, so you can make quite a bit of money, as the examples they've shown in their video, or even looking for a job, freelancing work. They make a lot of money as a digital marketer, and that's just one skill. And me, myself, being a digital marketer, these things are true. I've actually made this much money. I have made more than $100,000 as a digital marketer. However, this is where the whole BS part comes in. Because as you're watching these videos and you see these people talk about it, I can guarantee you, as you watch these videos, these people have not done this themselves. Meaning that they didn't go out there, get these certificates, and that's how they made their money. Every single one of these videos that I've seen, all of them have not done this process, okay? But what they have done are a few things. The first thing is the number of views that these type of videos get. So this one has 247,000 views. This one has 340,000 views. This one has 600 plus thousand views. And this one has over 1 million views. And the thing is, they make a lot of money off of those ads. But more importantly, they probably make even more money off of the products that they're actually trying to sell. So if you go into description, pretty much all of them have some type of product that they are trying to sell or they're referring you to, or an affiliate. So if you look to every single one of them, they always have something like that. So here's another one here, and here's another one here. And even if they don't promote their business or whatever they're doing, they're making a lot of money from these ads themselves, and at the same time, they themselves have not done it. That's the most important thing. And which goes to my whole idea that this thing is completely BS 100%, because if you go out there and you get these certificates, okay, and that's the only thing that you don't have any real world experience, any real world skills, and I'm telling you, you're not going to be making 100K. You'll be lucky if you even get a job or a gig if you have no experience and skills. Now, I myself, I have gotten these skills, but it's taken me years to actually learn these skills in the real world. And whenever these people are looking for these skill sets, these people to do the job, they want to see if you have experience. They're not looking to see what certifications that you have first and then say, okay, we'll go ahead and pay you $100,000 a year. That is not how it works. And if any of these companies or people looking for freelancers are doing this, well, they probably shouldn't be in business in the first place. And I have never ever seen any one of them hire me just because of my certifications. And if you're going to freelancer, you'll notice that a lot of these people, to Upwork or any other freelancing website, they have experience. That's what you're looking for. So if you were looking for somebody to do this work and you're going to pay them money, are you going to pay somebody $100,000 a year just because they have free Google certifications? Hell no. And so those are my thoughts on this Google certification, no degree, no experience, no real world skills required. And that practically applies to anything and not just Google certifications. And if you go on YouTube, you see a lot of these, make $100,000, no degree, no experience needed. The most important thing here is the experience and skills, because you could definitely make money without a college degree. But to make people think that just getting these certificates are what's going to set you apart and get you this $100,000 per year is absolutely ridiculous. And hopefully none of you fall for this. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave them in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my videos on money, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.